I have had the problems finding good flat earth material to make videos about. And then Ateriana made a comment on my latest live show. Let's start. Ateriana mentioned FTFE's latest debate with Flatzoid FE. It was some days ago and I had a look on it. And I choose one part of that live because I was mentioned in it. Let's start.
Right, now, let's get back to the actual point of this entire conversation, which is celestial navigation. And I asked you for the accurate map that you base celestial navigation on. Could you present me the accurate map? And remember, you can't use a projection because a projection is of a globe, right? So I need an accurate map that, and now let me be specific what I mean when I say an accurate map. I need a map that specifically and accurately details the correct distances of all land masses and the distances between them, just like the globe does. No, again, they don't, because like you said, those nautical charts are based on the Mercator projection, which doesn't have accurate distances.
And we showed how off your Mercator chart is, how your Mercator maps are.
Exactly. Therefore, So therefore,
you want me to make a statement.
Well, let me just say this first. Right?
Can I finish my statement?
Right. Okay. I need to get back to what you've just said though, because you literally just
reversed
yourself.
Statement.
Yeah. Go on.
Your Mercator projection is what the nautical charts are based on. The nautical charts are based on Mercator. The difference between using nautical charts and the Mercator is astounding, because nautical charts are just sectional maps. So it's got no curve into account.
Charts don't show curvature, and why would they?
It's simply based on a grid system that comes from...
You just told me it was based on a Mercator
measurements, angular measurements done by observations through centuries.
Okay, no, you just told me that it's based on a Mercator map.
What a horizontal plane.
Okay, right. Flatzoid, stop. You're getting off the point here.
When you get to the bottom of...
Before you get too far away, let's get back to the point. Before you get too far away, though, you're getting away from the point.
When you get to the bottom of the whole argument, even your grid
Flatzoid, stop talking crap and let me respond.
From flat Earth measurements.
And these silly statements he learned from Nathan Oakley's show, presented by Brian's Logic, 10th Man and other fools that don't know anything at all about navigation.
Congratulations.
100% incorrect in everything that you said there. Right. The nautical charts that you are referring to, which are based on the Mercator projection, that is what we've established, right? The nautical charts that you're referring to, which aren't specifically for celestial navigation, but that's irrelevant. The nautical charts that you're referring to that are based on the Mercator projection are based on a projection that does not have accurate distances. Therefore, the nautical charts based on that will also not have accurate distances. You need a map that actually shows me accurate countries exactly as they are in the real world.
Nautical charts.
No, nautical charts don't.
Let's have a quick look at how you measure distances on a paper chart. You use dividers, parallel rules, regular rules, perhaps a piece of paper. to measure on a chart. And then you put the ruler or whatever you used to measurement on the latitude scale on the chart to gather the distance. But why do we always measure from the side, the latitude scale on the charts? Distances are always measured from the latitude scale on the charts, not the longitude scale. The distance between the latitude lines are equal, whereas the distance between each longitude line gets smaller as the lines approach the poles. Only at the equator are the lines of latitude and longitude at the same distances. Good luck explaining that on a flat Earth. And regarding the distortions of land masses on different map projections. At the left you have the Mercator map projection. That is not a good projection at the polar regions, and you will see it on the comparisons with the map projection on the left. That's the Lambert map projection. It's much better at the polar regions. There are more map projections that are more suitable on that regions. If you compare Greenland and Africa, you will see a bigger difference between the sizes of Greenland than on the African continent, for instance.
I guarantee you right now, you could not pull up a nautical chart that shows me that is based on the Mercator projection, that shows me accurate distances of countries and accurate distances between them exactly as they are in the real world, because the nautical charts based on the Mercator projection are based on a projection of the globe, therefore is based on non-accurate, distorted land masses. So there is no way that you can show me a flat map with accurate land masses. Do it right now.
Can you
do it right now. Do it right now. Show me your accurate map right now. Do it.
Do you know Arctic Reflect? Do you know who Arctic Reflect?
Stop. No, stop. Right now, show me your accurate map with accurate land masses, accurate distances between them.
I can do you one better.
No, just show me it. Just show me it. Put it up. You're screen sharing, just put it up for me.
I can do one better. I can get you an actual navigator, Arctic Reflections, and he can bring up nautical charts for you. And he will just tell you what you just said is actual bullshit.
No, he won't, because he agrees with me.
And he's
I've spoken to him
Globian.
several times.
Oh, you just said the nautical charts he uses every day are not accurate.
Again, they're not an accurate map that shows accurate representations of countries exactly as they are. Can you show me the map? Show me it now. Bring it on the screen and show me the map.
It will be a first time for everything. I think this is the first time a flat earther tried to use my name to prove their nonsense. And I'm quite sure that all of you understand it already. Flatzoid is lying, he's talking bullshit. It's FTFE who described this correct, not Flatzoid. I will never confirm his nonsense regarding navigation. Flatzoid have proven time after time that he have no knowledge, no experience about anything regarding navigation. He gets all what he think is knowledge from flat earth fools like Nathan Oakley, Brian's Logic, 10th Man, and the rest of the fools who have no knowledge about the subject at all. So Flatzoid, stop using my name when you try to prove your fantasies. I'm not a part of your fantasy world.
All nautical
Stop.
maps.
Show me the map. Bring it up on the screen right now. Show it to me.
Do you understand?
Stop. Show me the map. Show me the map. Show me the accurate map with accurate land distances on right now. Do it.
You seem to be spiraling here.
I'm waiting for you. This conversation does not move forward until you show me the accurate map with accurate land masses as we have it in the real world. please go ahead. That is the only thing that needs to happen right now. Where is your accurate map? Show it to me.
There we go. On screen now.
Wait, let me
Multiple shots.
This is a shot over the Atlantic Ocean. If we zoom in the top here, we see it's a Mercator map projection. If you're navigating over longer distances, for instance from Europe to US, you circle navigate, the same as airplanes. But on shorter distances, the distortions don't make a big difference, so you haven't the need of circle navigating. In Sweden, we're not using the ordinary Mercator map projections on the more local charts. We are using the Gauss-Krieger's projection, which is a transversal Mercator map projection. It's better in areas close to the pole. This map projections is also used in South America because they are quite close to the South Pole. The debate between FTFE was 3 hours long, but I choose only to react to this part where I was mentioned, because to sum it up, FTFE was correct, Flatzoid was lying and presenting fantasies. Last Friday I received 2 orders on knives, and with those money I was able to buy one more drone that's on its way to Ukraine. Thank you everyone helping me helping Ukraine. As I mentioned in my live show, I lost my domains. They was kidnapped. It was a company that registered them and wanted a lot of money. So I changed my domain name, link in the description, and the same goes for my PayPal addresses and my ordinary mail address and so on. One thing more, I released my website, my shop where I sell knives that I make. Link to that in the description too. And if you buy a knife from me, the earnings of that will go to buy drones. Thank you very much for watching. I will be back soon. I'm not sure when, but it will be more from me this week. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.